Cryptocurrency transactions have revolutionized the way we perceive and conduct financial transactions. Unlike traditional banking systems that rely on central authorities and intermediaries, cryptocurrencies allow users to send and receive funds directly over the internet through a decentralized network. This not only enhances transaction speed, but also reduces costs, making cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum increasingly popular alternatives for both individuals and businesses. One of the most appealing aspects of cryptocurrency transactions is their transparency. Every transaction made with cryptocurrencies is recorded on a blockchain, a public ledger that is accessible to anyone. This feature ensures accountability and minimizes the risk of fraud, since each transaction can be traced back to its sender and receiver. Furthermore, the immutable nature of blockchain technology means that once a transaction is confirmed, it cannot be altered, providing an additional layer of security that traditional banking systems struggle to offer. Additionally, cryptocurrency transactions offer a high degree of privacy. While personal information is typically required in traditional banking, cryptocurrencies utilize cryptographic techniques to protect users' identities. Bitcoin transactions, for example, do not tie funds to personal identities, but instead use alphanumeric addresses. This anonymity can be beneficial for users wanting to maintain privacy in their financial affairs, although it has sparked concerns regarding potential misuse for illegal activities. Moreover, the global accessibility of cryptocurrencies stands out as a significant advantage. With over 2 billion people around the world lacking access to traditional banking services, cryptocurrencies provide an alternative financial solution. Anyone with an internet connection can participate in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, enabling financial inclusion and opportunities for economic growth in underserved communities. Finally, the volatility of cryptocurrency prices is a crucial factor to consider when engaging in these transactions. Prices can fluctuate dramatically within short periods, presenting both risks and opportunities for traders and investors. As more people enter the cryptocurrency market, understanding how to navigate this volatility becomes essential for successful investing. Whether you're considering utilizing cryptocurrencies for everyday transactions or as an investment vehicle, staying informed and aware of market trends will be invaluable to your financial journey in this innovative space.